All right, so I'm just waiting for more people to join. I'm just waiting for more people to join this live and we'll start. Okay? We have our winner for yesterday's giveaway. We have our winner for yesterday giveaway. I told the person to send me a chat, but okay. I think we have our winner here. Yes, love it. Love it. You are the winner of yesterday's giveaway. You are the winner of yesterday giveaway. So uh send me a DM with your account number. Send me a DM with your account number. I'm going to send 5,000 naira to you. Today there would also be a lucky winner for a 5,000 naira lunch. I'll give someone 5,000 naira today. Okay, so we'll keep doing that till I decide we can no longer do it. As long as we keep making money, we'll keep doing it. So the more money we make, the more money we share. So yesterday, if you remember, I was having some losing trades, and I told you something. I said I'm going to recover the money, right? And when I went off the live, I made the money back. So in trading, you are going to win some trades, you are going to lose some trades. That is just the nature of trading. You are going to win some trades, you are going to lose some trades. Love it. Can you, so that we make, if you are comfortable with this option, right? Drop your account number in the chat of this live. Drop your account number. I will send you the money. I'll send you the money instantly right now. I'll send it to you right now. I will send it to you right now. Once you confirm the money, just acknowledge. Just say you've gotten it. Like I said, there will be one lucky winner today. There will be one lucky winner of a 5,000 naira dinner money. I would have said, let me buy dinner for you, but I don't want to go through the stress of uh, uh, buying the dinner. So, you know, I'll just give you the money. So, real quick, we'll start trading today. Let's see what we can make. By the way, I've taken some trades. Let me show you. Let's go to profile, trading profile. Let's see. So far so good. I've taken over 700 trades. You can see it right here. Over 700 trades. You can see it here, right? And my win rate is just 53%, which I think it's good for the kind of strategy I have adopted. It's good for the strategy I have adopted. The win rate is 53%, and I've made a total of $721 on this account. And yesterday, just so you know, okay, I made $87, and today taking some trades and I've made $50. You can see $50. The strategy is to make $20 every day, $20 per day. So I have done times two of that. I think I've done like 2.5x of that. Ideally, I would have stopped, but because I want to show you how to do this thing, that is why I'm still trading. So, without any further ado, let us start trading. Should we look at crypto? Should we look at crypto? I always trade currencies. You will see the highest payout in currencies. Oh, boy, I love this chart. I love this chart. This is a clear uptrend. You can see. Can you see since the beginning? So what time is this? Okay, can't see the time here. But from here, and this is on a 5 minute time frame. My analysis is always on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see that the trend has been up for hours. For hours. My only fear trading this chart is price is the broker changing the payout rather. See this 92% you are seeing here, the broker can change it to 80% or even 50%. That is the challenge. But after this candle closes, which it will close in about a minute time, I will just follow the trend. I will go for a call option, a buy, and the trade would last for 5 minutes. The trade would last for 5 minutes. So I'm waiting for this candle to close. This is on the 5 minutes time frame. Then I will go for a call option. I'll go for a call option and let's see. The only reason I am buying this asset, Cardano, is it Cardano? W Cardano in the chart. W Cardano in the chart. The only reason I'm buying Cardano is because the trend is strong. Yeah, we are in a strong uptrend. So 5 minutes candlestick has expired. So I'm in a trade. You can always monitor your trade from here. You will see. You will see. You will see what you're doing. So let's see. Let's see. The biggest problem traders have is they don't have the patience to trade on a 5 minutes time frame. They don't have the patience to trade on a 5 minute chart. I have the patience. I have the patience. I just wait for trades to you know form on the higher time frame. But I have a rule. Let me tell you my trading rule. Let me tell you my trading rule. Now, if you are in a strong uptrend, right, and you see three red candles, you are in a strong uptrend. You see three red candles, right? Then I'm going to go for a put option after the third red candle. I'm going to go for a put option. What will typically happen is that for the first candle, it might turn green, meaning the fifth candle might turn green, but the sixth candle will turn red. So for this particular trade, I would allow it. I will allow it to run. If I see another this running candle, if it closes red, then it shows that perhaps the trend is about to change. So what I normally do is on the next candle, I go for a put option. And my trading rule, it's simple. The next amount I use is $2. Okay, so if you are watching this live, I want you to like this live. Like it. Just keep liking the live. Just keep liking the live, okay? So the oh, I love this chart also. I love this. This is clean. This is clean. Strong uptrend. So maybe I think I will stick with cryptos this night. This is not so exciting. I don't really like this. This is awesome. not really exciting. So I will just stick to Cardano and Ethereum. Cardano and Ethereum. So strong uptrend. Let's see how it pans out. Love it. I'm still expecting your account number. Send your account number so that I can send the 5,000 naira to you. Okay. So the thing about trading, there will be losses. You can't escape it. If I can see, I can show you my trading history. You will see losses. There will be losses. Out of my last 10 trades, how many did I win? One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did I lose? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is showing just 9 trades. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've won 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've lost 4. So that's 60%. And I think 60% win rate is good. Okay. It's good. Given the strategy I run. So I'll just keep trading. This current trade is going against me, but you know, it's fine. It's totally fine. Let's look at Ethereum also. Okay. Can you see they've dropped the payout for Ethereum? They've dropped the payout for Ethereum. Ethereum is still strong to the upside. So maybe I'll take the next trade on Ethereum. In 24 seconds, right? I'll be taking a call option. Okay, someone is asking me what's my strategy. My strategy is actually not straightforward, but I'll try as much as possible to explain. So let's buy Ethereum after, okay, for another 5 minutes. Let's buy Ethereum. Done. $2. So if I win this trade, I'm going to recover my earlier loss and make, something decent. So, but I'm still looking at this Cardano anyway. So I would be trading Ethereum and Cardano, both of them, right? So what was the strategy? It's quite simple. As much as possible, I like to follow the trend. As much as possible, I trade the multiple time frame analysis. You can see that there is no chart on my system. I'm using an iPad to record this live. There's no single indicator here. There's nothing. I'm just looking at the price. That is all I'm doing. I'm just watching price print. So if we are in an uptrend, I look for trading opportunity to the upside. If we are in a downtrend, I look for trading opportunities to the downside, right? But what I like to do is what we call multiple time frame analysis. How does it work? So I go to the 30 minutes time frame, right? I look at what price is doing on the 30 minutes time frame, right? Based on what price is doing on the 30 minutes time frame, I drill over to the 15 minutes. Okay, I check, okay, what is happening on the 15 minutes. Once I have a feel of what is happening on the 15 minutes time frame, then I check the 10. Okay, I see what is happening on the 10. Then I execute on the 5 minutes. So it takes a lot of time for you to understand how price move from the highest time frame standpoint to the lower time frame standpoint, and I try as much as possible to explain all of this. So every week I'll be explaining how this thing work every week. So make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. I would explain everything for you. So you can see that Ethereum is starting to, they've reduced the payout on Ethereum to 84%, right? So that is my issue with trading crypto, if I was trading currency, it might take a time for the broker to change the payout. It might take some time for the broker to change the payout. But if you are trading commodity, you are trading stock, they would they always change the payouts, and I'm all about the payouts. I need a broker that will give me good payout, and pocket option gives full payout. So, anyways, let's go back to crypto. Let's keep watching what is happening on Ethereum. Okay, we have less than 5 minutes to expiration. In about 2 minutes, this trade is going to elapse, and only two things would happen. It will either be a win or a loss. If it is a loss, sincerely, I am not bothered, because I know as long as I don't have 9 consecutive losing trades, right? I would always make money. That is how this strategy is designed to work. People call it martingale. It's can call it whatever you like. Uh, as long as you are not, as long as I'm making money, I do not care. I do not care what you call it. Because I can equally assure you that even if you are not using quote and unquote martingale, in a month's time, right, I can promise you, you blow your account. You that you are not using martingale, in a month's time, you blow your account. So me that I'm using martingale, and I've been doing this for months, right? I think I'm better off. I think I'm better off. So it's totally fine. It's all about the money management principle. I would have loved to go for, okay, they've increased the payout, so I will change this to 5. So I will still go for a call because the trend is still up. So I've lost 2 trades so far. But hey, it's fine. So if this gives another loss, it will be $11. If you notice, I started trading with just $1, and I keep increasing it. I have a $2,800 balance, but my first trade was not even $5. It was $1, right? There's a reason I intentionally decide to use $1, because I know I am using martingale system of trading. So start with $1, then $2, 5, 11, 26, 58, 130, 292, 500 and something, 1,000. Meaning, it's only when I lose trade 9 times in a row that I get to, lose all my money. And so far, so good. That has never happened. And I've taken 700 trades for you to know that, okay, it could have happened in 700 trades, but it has not happened. It has never happened that I lost trades. The maximum I did was, okay, 6 trades in a row. And, that happened just once. And yesterday when I was trading live, I lost 4 trades in a row, and after the live, I recovered my money back, so it's fine. So if this doesn't work out again, I think I might have to go back to trading currency. I usually don't trade crypto. I don't trade crypto. I just love the trend I was seeing. That was what made me trade crypto. But we never can tell. Let's see. So I have 3 minutes to expiration. Price is still going against me. Am I bothered? No. Do I think at the end of the trading session I'm still going to make money? Yes. Yes. In fact, there has never been a day I don't make money trading binary options. So you might see few losses. You might see me making 4 losses, 3 losses, 5 losses. Be rest assured that at the end of the day, I walk away with profit. It might be little. The target is $20 per day, right? But I showed you I've made $50 today. and I'm looking to maybe make, in the course of this live video, the live video is going to last for just 1 hour. Maybe in the course of this live video I would have made another 15 $10 $15. So it's totally fine, it's totally fine. So this current trade is going in my favor so far, but anything, don't be excited once you see trade moving in your favor. Don't be excited, because anything can happen, right? So I only came to the 1 minute time frame to see what is happening. Okay, so I can see price still going up and down. For me to win this trade, and let's see how many minutes left. So I have just 1 minute 30 seconds for me to win this trade. Price must close above this green line. You can see price going up and down. It must close above this green line. If it closes below this green line, then I'm going to lose the trade. Now, guys, this is the strategy I adopt. Immediately I win this current trade. If I win this current trade, how many minutes left? Okay, just 1 minute left. If I win this current trade, then I'm going to go back to trading with $1. Now, see, let me tell you something. You might think, oh, $1, what can you do with $1? It's too small. Yes, I agree. It's quite small, right? But I can't even make this up. See, I can't make this up. You know, this is on a live account. I can't make it. Okay, where is it? Profile, trading profile. Oh, you will say $1 is too small, right? See the amount I've made so far. 718 by just taking $1, $2 trade, $5 trade, $26 trade. Everything accumulated to 718, and I think this is in about 3 weeks, which has translated to in percentage term, because I started this account with about 2,100, 2,200, right? It's something. This is over 718 was 10% of 2,000, that's 200. This is over 30%. This is over. Okay, let's go to our trade. Did we make money there? Yes, we did. You can see it. You can see $5. We won the trade. On Ethereum, we won the trade. It was a good win. So I would go back to $1. That's the strategy. Go back to $1. Change the chart back to 5 minutes, because I always analyze on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So let's see what's happening. Guys, remember I said something the other time. If you paid close attention, I said if you see three, let's say the trend is in an extended uptrend, and you see three red candles, you can see 1, 2, 3 red candles. I said what you will probably see next is a green candle followed by a red candle. Go and rewind this video. I said it. I made mention. As at the time I said it, this candle was still forming, right? These two had not formed. When I said it, that if you see three red candles, the next candle could be a green candle, but the candle that follows after that will be a red candle. And that is exactly what happened. So you can only know how this thing plays out with experience. And again, you could be wrong. But based on my own experience, 70% of the time, that's what I see happen in the market. That is what I see happen. So, what is happening here? Okay, I think let's analyze these charts. There might be something we could do here. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe I will start streaming with my laptop instead of this iPad, because I can't zoom out. I can't zoom out. And I need to know what is happening. Okay. See, uptrend, there's a retracement. So some technical analysts would have drawn out their Fibonacci retracement tool to mark this as a 50% retracement level. But I don't need all of those things. I've trained my eyes to know, okay, price is already, if I'm to pull my fib extension from here to here without even pulling it out, I know this is sitting on 61.8% retracement level. And you can check it out. If you are watching this video live, go to this pair AUD card, pull it out, you'll see that I'm right. So I don't need all of those things. I hardly even draw anything. I don't put any line. Okay, maybe one or two lines to see where the resistance and the support are for me. That's the only reason I put line. But indicators, you know, I consider them to lag. They don't reflect what is happening real time with price. You don't get to see what is happening real time with price. So, but if you understand price action, you can do multiple time frame analysis. Okay, now, oh, this is not an extended downtrend. I wanted to show you this exact thing again. That okay, three red candles. The next one could be a red candle, but the one that follows will be a green candle. But this is not an extended downtrend. That only works if the trend is extended. But be that as it may, I think I'm going to go for a call option. Once this candle expires, after this expiration, I'm going to go for a call option. I'm just waiting. In about 13 seconds time, this candle is going to expire. Okay, 4 seconds left, and with $1, I've placed the trade. So this trade is going to run for another 5 minutes. I need to have the patience to wait for 5 minutes for me to make 92 cents. Love it. Yet to see your account. You said you typed it, but I don't think it's showing. Maybe YouTube is blocking people from typing their account numbers. You know what you know what you can do, so that. But are you comfortable with people seeing your account number on live? Anyways, okay. You know what you can do? Go to my Telegram channel. The chat on the Telegram is still opened. Go to Telegram. The chat, I've not closed it, I've not logged it, so you can still type on my Telegram channel. Type your account number and your account details there. Then I will send the money from there. Oh, okay. I think you can't type. Oh, I think you can't type on Telegram. How do I send this money to Love It? Or Love It, you can message me on WhatsApp. You can message me on WhatsApp. You can message me on 08101 591413. Send me a text and I will send the money to you. Okay, so this current trade is going well. You can see prices going up. Let me tell you why I entered this trade, and I think I explained it earlier. The general trend is down. You can see it's it's down, but I saw these three green candles form. Not only that, there's a book I wrote on candlestick formation. You should read that book. You should read that book, and it's for free. I'm giving it out for free. You will see this candlestick pattern. This one, this one, this one. They are in my book. You can see them. You will see them. So if you see them, especially if they form in an uptrend, then it shows you that price is going to go up, right? It shows you that price is going to go up. You will see these exact candlestick patterns in my book, right? You should get the book and you should digest the content in that book. So, price is going well as expected. Um, I think we've won this trade. So, we'll keep hunting. So you can't win a couple of trades and you stop trading. You keep trading, but I would suggest, like, I'm not a financial advisor. I would have said I would advise. I don't advise. I can only suggest. I would suggest you have a daily profit target. Once you hit your profit target for the day, close that chart. Go to the beach. Go and enjoy yourself. Go to the cinema with your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Have some popcorn, watch a movie, come back the next day. Let me tell you what will happen if you overtrade. Emotion will start setting in. You will start making irrational decisions, right? Because your emotion will be up, because you start losing trades. You won't be able to manage your emotions, right? That is what happens whenever you overtrade. And the easiest way to blow your account, whether you are trading binary option, you are trading forex, is to allow emotion creeping. By the way, like this live, like it, please. Just keep pressing on that like button, on that love you see it. Keep power tapping, keep liking this live, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So that's a beautiful win, beautiful win. That's a beautiful win. So we'll keep analyzing the charts. Okay, so I think I've seen another opportunity here. If you know why I took this trade, you can type it in the comment section of this video. Maybe I'll give it a 5,000 naira. The first person to tell me why I took this trade, the first person, and I've explained it. The first person to type it in this chat will go away with this 5,000 naira. There's a 5,000 naira giveaway if you know why I enter a call option, which it could turn into a losing trade or a win. It doesn't really matter, but there's a reason I went into the trade, and I explained it. I explained it. I explained it. Hi, Samuel. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. I guess you are just joining. We are trading binary option here using the Pocket Option Broker. I trade with a money management system people call Martingale. Since I've started trading this account, I've taken 700 trades. You can see it here. It's live. You can't even make anything up here. I've taken 714 trades, and my win rate is just 53%. But based on my strategy, you need to be profitable just 20% of the time. Meaning, if you take 10 trades, you need to win 2 trades out of 10. You need to win 20 trades out of 100 trades, right? You need to win 20 trades out of 100 trades. But there's a caveat. You must not lose 9 trades consecutively. So I've taken 714 trades. I've made $722 so far on this account, and I think this is in about 3 weeks. And there is no day I don't make money because of the money management principle I adopt. If I today alone, how much have we made? We've made $52. You can go to yesterday, how much? $87. You can go to last 7 days, how much? $459. So if you know what you are doing, you will make money. So what I do, people will see it as, oh, this way is gambling. Trust me, there are even professional gamblers. Do you know gambling is a profession? But I'm not even gambling. I have a trading strategy. I have a money management strategy. So if I've taken 700 trades and I'm still standing strong, then maybe I'm doing something right. Maybe you might want to listen to me. Maybe I'm doing something right. Okay. So this is going to be a losing trade, but it's fine. You know the drill. I just increase the next trade. I'll make it $2 so that I'll cover the earlier loss. It's fine. It's fine. So you keep flipping through the charts. There are a lot of charts to trade. There are a lot of opportunities in the market. There are a lot of okay. Okay. It's fine. I'm looking for a trending market, a market that is trending either to the upside or to the downside. It doesn't really matter. Looking for, yes, something like this. Okay, this is one. So I'm going to add it to favorite. By the way, guys, if you are trading using the Pocket Option app, yeah, if you see any opportunity you like, you can just favorite it. So you see it will appear here, so that okay, I can come back to the chart and make a decision. So I'm going to go with the trend, although I don't like all these retracements that I'm seeing. 5 green candles. I don't like them. But I want something like this. I don't really like this, but I'm going to take the trade on this. I'm going to take the trade here anyways, but should, let's see, not really comfortable. And once you start second guessing your trade, it's best to just leave it. So I just keep scrolling, looking for a trend. Okay, nice. So let's see. Okay, I'm about to take a trade. I'm just looking for a trend. Okay, let me favorite this. I think there might be something. So guys, you want to avoid from charts like this. Once it start ranging, once this chart start moving sideways, you see something like this, you don't want to trade that kind of market. So you trade something that is trending. Okay, you can see trend here. You can see trend here, but I don't really like all these three. So okay, done. I've gone for the put option, and I only went for the put option because of the trend. Can you see any indicator on my charts? No. What I'm doing is just simply following price action. I see that the bears, they are very dominant on this chart, and you can see it yourself. You can see that okay, most of the time you how many green candles have you had here? Just few. We have more of sellers than buyers on this chart, USD card. So it's possible that once in a while, okay, the bulls would step into the market, they would take price up. It happens like you can see here. But what happens again? The bears will come in, the sellers will come in, and they will take price down. That is how to identify patterns. So what some forex traders will do is, they will draw a trend. Like I said, I don't need to draw any. I can see it because it's clear. It's clear. Like I don't even need to draw anything. I can see that okay, price is moving in this channel. You can see it. Okay. This No. It's something like this. So what some forex traders will do is they wait for price to come and touch this trend line, then go for the sell option. But I am not trading forex. If I was trading forex, okay, I could be doing this. Okay, trade a channel, wait for the pattern to maybe head and shoulder, uh, pennant, all this flag. But I'm not trading forex. I don't need much of those analysis. What I need to do is number one, have 20% winning strategy. Just 20. Do you know how ridiculously low that is? For you to just win 22 trades out of 10 trades and you will still make money, right? Or 20 trades out of 100 trades. All I need to do is just be profitable 20% of the time. I can say I'm profitable 53% of the time. That's rule number one. Rule number two, you must not have 9 consecutive losing trades. You blow that account, right? So if your strategy is right, if you have a good strategy, a strategy that can deliver 30% win rate for you, then you can trade the way I trade, and you just see that okay, most days you are making money. Most days, like since I've started this account, there has never been a day that I will go to bed and I did not make profit. It has not happened because I follow those trading rules religiously, right? I follow them religiously. So 26 seconds and price is starting to, turn, but it's fine. It's fine. Even if I lose the trade, you know the drill. I already explained the drill to you. I just increase my stake to $5 and, you know. But hey, I don't want to take another. Let's see how this. Can you see how close I lost the trade? Can you see how close I was to winning the trade? Let's go for a buy option. I'm going for a buy option because of this candlestick pattern. It's showing me that okay, the bulls they might still take the price one more time, right? And I could be wrong, I could be right. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. So they might see. I would not advise you do this thing I'm doing. I would not advise you trade against the trend at all. I will not advise it. The only reason I am trading against the trend, which is against my rule, is because so far so good. I've lost just 2 trades. If I had lost, let's say, 3 or 4 trades in a row, trust me, I will not even be looking at this chart. I will not even be looking to take a buy signal here at all. At all. I won't be looking to take a buy signal here at all. I'll be looking for just sell entries, right? So that's the only reason I'm taking this trade. Number one, this candlestick shows that okay, price could still go up a bit, right? But the trend is generally down. You don't want to trade against the trend. You don't want to trade against the trend. It's very dangerous to trade against the trend. Okay. So what I can be doing, by the way, what was the trade amount here? $5. So the next one will be 11. If I lose the trade, that will be $11. Okay. So keep hunting. Like this video if you are watching. Just keep liking the video. Just keep liking it. Just keep liking this video. Just keep liking it. Okay. Okay, let's keep looking for opportunities. By the way, I can always monitor my trade here. It's still a losing trade, so it's fine. I don't need to wait for the trade to expire before I look for the next opportunity in the markets. I'll just keep hunting. That's all I do. So Some people will say, okay, you are losing some trades. It's fine. This is a good opportunity. This is a very good opportunity. Can you see those candlestick I talked about? Can you see it from here? Can you see it here? They work. They work. They don't work all the time. They don't work all the time, but I can say 60% of the time they work. They work. Can you see it here? I've shown you again. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see is what I traded here that is giving me loss so far. Oh, okay. Where is the okay, this is it. It's giving me loss so far, but they work. They work. They work. Let's see. We have 1 minute 28 seconds to expiry. If you want to see all the candlestick patterns I trade, you need to join my Telegram channel. It will be available on my Telegram channel. So we have 1 minute to expiration. The trade is still a loss so far. Okay, because of the trend. Because of the trend. Because of the trend. Ideally, if you spot this in an uptrend, I go for the call option. But the trend is strong to the downside, and it happens. Okay, let's keep looking for what we can trade. And I have trained myself to be calm whenever I'm trading. So even if I'm having 6 losing trades, I'm still calm. I'm still calm because I know my trade could result in a loss. I've accepted to lose all my capital in the first place, so it doesn't really matter. But what I don't like to do is to deviate from the strategy. Don't deviate from the strategy. So let's keep watching. Let's keep looking. So we lost that trade. We lost that trade. Let's see what's happening here. A downtrend. But I'm not comfortable with this big green candle, so I won't trade it. You will notice that since I started this live, I think I've lost more trades than I've won. I've won just 2 trades. I've lost 1, 2. I've lost more trades than I've won. But I will show you that I would end up being profitable at the end of the day. I will still end up being profitable. Okay, so I'm going to go for a call option here, and it's simple. It's simple. It's still the same candlestick pattern. The one I tried to take the other time that gave me a loss. You can see that that's the same candlestick that formed here, which will likely give me a profit because now the condition is better because we are in an uptrend, right? We are now in an uptrend, so it's more likely to unfold right. Let's go back to this trade. Let's go back to this trade. Okay. See, the same something like this. You can see it. This is it, right? This is my running trade. Let me even feel right. It's this is it. Okay, I brought it up. Can you see? It's almost the same thing. Can you see? Can you see that it failed here? It failed here because let me see the trend here. There is no clear trend here. We don't know whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend. The trend is not clear here. So if you see it in an uptrend, it's more likely to give you a profit. It's not certain. You need to understand that it's not certain. It is not a given. You are not assured that it will be 100% certain, but the tide will be in your favor, right? If you see it in an uptrend. I will also show you one pattern. I will also show you one pattern, one candlestick I trade that I like so much. Whenever I see it form, or if I see it in any of those charts as I'm analyzing, I will show you. It's a good pattern. So price is still moving up and down. Okay, currently loss. And you know the thing about binary option trading. So you might be having loss. Then in the last 15 seconds, price just moves in your favor. It happens a lot. You could be having, oh my God, this chart is moving against me. Then in the last 30 seconds, I don't know, has it ever happened to you if you trade binary option? It will just go in your favor. You could also be having a winning trade, a winning trade, and in the last 30 seconds, it goes against you. You lose that trade. You end up losing that trade. So at best, this is my fair opinion about binary option. And that's why I don't, if you don't have the experience, don't trade binary option. If you want to trade, start with a demo account. Let me show you. I started this demo account with $2,000. I built it to $3,000. And okay, it was at that time I knew $3,300 rather. That I knew, okay, I think I can do this, right? Because I have done it in demo. Now, this particular account, I have other accounts, but this particular account started with $2,100 each, and I'm currently sitting at. No, I started with $2,200, but I've made over $700. I've withdrawn some money because I was trying to test the platform whether okay, do they pay? Do they? So I've withdrawn some money from the platform. So, uh, can you see? Can you see this thing just delivering? Okay, don't be cocky yet. Don't be so sure, certain you are going to win this trade. It's only when I see the expiration, reading 10 seconds, that I feel okay, I might win this trade. So as I was trying to explain the other time that anything is still 19 seconds, I could still lose this trade. It's that crazy. Is that crazy? Okay, 10 seconds. Let's see, 9. I could still lose this trade. Anything can happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close win. But it's so. What do I do? One, still going to go for a buy option. I'm still going to go for the buy option. You can see that my balance has increased now, and you can see that immediately I won that trade. What did I do? I went back to trading with $1. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how I've been able to make $700. That's how I've been able to take over 700 trades. Or how many now? Let's see. Trading profile. Let's see. 718 trades, and I've not blown the account because whenever I make money, whenever I have a winning trade, I go back to the initial amount, which is $1. Then I start all over again. I start from $1. I start building the account, and that's how profit is being made. That's how you make money from the market. Using my strategy, of course, if that's what you are using. So I will increase the next one. So you can see that I've had more losing trades than winning trades. And remember, I told you something earlier that for you to be profitable using this strategy, you just need 20% win rate. That's all. Just try and win 2 trades out of 10 trades. You will make money. You will make money. My profit percentage today has been a bit poor, and that's another thing you need to know about trading. Some days I have 80% win rate. So someone watching this video might be like, oh, you're having a lot of losing trades. Some days it's like that. Some days I have 80% win rate, 80% win rate. Okay, let me show you. Today, my win rate has been poor, 49%. I've had just 49% win rate today, and I've taken 80 trades. 80 trades today. Made $54. Okay. So the money you make from trading a strategy like this will not always be much. You won't make a lot. You won't make a crazy amount. You won't make a crazy amount. But I don't know where you are watching this video from. But if you are watching it from Nigeria, making $50 a day, or remember the strategy is just to make $20. If you look at the thumbnail of this video, is to make $20 per day. Making $20 a day, and you are trading 30 days in a month. That's $600. $600 is like maybe 800,000 naira. How many people make 800,000 naira in Nigeria per month? No, that's the beautiful thing about trading. That's the beautiful thing about trading. Once you know how to trade, it will be hard for you to go broke. Because again, you can start shooting content, you can start teaching people how to trade, you can also do what I'm doing currently, go on YouTube, put videos about trading, and YouTube will pay you. And by the way, do you know that channels that talk about trading, right? YouTube pays them the most. So if you are doing a comedy, entertainment, you will barely make any money from YouTube. But if you are talking about trading and you are having views, I've not started having those kind of crazy views, but your influencers that are having those crazy views talking about Forex, they make that crazy amount because YouTube will pay them more. So guys, this trade is still I don't know what price it is doing. It's getting close to our entry point, but in the next 30 seconds, it has to close above this green line for me to make money. And sometimes you would almost win a trade. At some point, you would almost win a trade. So I'm going to go for a sell. Okay, let's wait for this trade to grow. Okay, so I've increased the trade amount to $2, $1, then $2. You know the drill, right? See, let me tell you why I took the sell trade. Remember this trend. We are seeing in an uptrend. The trend is up. But in my book, if you are yet to join my Telegram channel, click on the description of this video. You'll see a link to join my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel because I'll drop that book on that Telegram channel. In my book, you see this thing, these two candles, this one and this one, exactly these two. You will see it, you'll find it in my book. I explained in my book that the next candle that will form, if you see these two candles, will probably be a red candle. This is a book I've written so many years ago. I explained the only thing that will make this candle, the next candle, which is this running candle, not become red, is because the trend, if you are in a very steep uptrend, a very steep uptrend, then it won't happen. But 80%, no, don't let me say 80% is a far cry. I can tell you 70% of the time or 65% of the time, if you see these two candlestick patterns, it's in my book. Oh, I didn't even see this. I think these three too, they are in my book. This one, you see it. I said it clearly that the next candle that will form will be a red candle, right? So, I think we are almost 1 hour into this live trade. We just take maybe one or two trades more, and I will end the live. By the way, I said I'm going to give one person $5,000.
A few moments later.
I mean 5,000 naira. Sorry, that was a slip of tongue. My trading capital is not even $5,000, so why would I give someone $5,000? But I can give you 5,000 naira for dinner. Use it to buy dinner or recharge card, whatever you want to do with the money. It's totally up to you. So, let's see. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes 24 seconds left. Trading is a very crazy hobby. It can wreck you. It can wreck you. You know, there are some people that before they started trading, they were eating chicken, they were eating rice, they were eating good food. But immediately they start trading, they go back to taking gari and taking beans and those. Oh, beans is good by the way, but your standard of living will just drop. That's because most traders see trading as a get rich quick scheme. You want to quickly flip $100 to $500. How? Just tell me how. $500 you want to quickly turn it to $10,000. See, if it was that easy, I can tell you for free that everybody on this earth would be a millionaire. If it was that easy, that okay, I can come into a market, put my $500 and turn it to $5,000 in even 2 days or 1 week or 1 or 2 hours. If it was that possible, everybody would be a billionaire. Me myself, I would have bought a Rolls Royce since, if it was that possible. So you might be looking at some influencers that, oh, this person is buying this expensive car. Uh, Trust me, all that money is not coming from trading, and I can tell you that for free because I'm also in the game, right? I'm also in the game, so I know how they make all this money. So just don't be carried away by those things you see online. Trust me, don't be carried away by them. There, there's a lot of moving parts to this thing. A lot of moving parts to it. Don't be so impressed with what you see at your first glance. You feel me? Right. So this is going to be a winning trade. Remember the strategy. What do? I return back to $1, trading with $1, trading with $1. And guys, can you see how patient I am? Just analyzing on the 1 minute time frame. Most binary option traders, they analyze on the 1 minute. I'm analyzing, sorry, on the 5 minutes time frame. Most traders analyze on the 1 minute, but things move so fast on the 1 minute time frame. Some people even do 30 seconds trade. I can't do it. I can't do 30 seconds because it's too fast. Everything is happening so fast. I would have a mental breakdown. When I started this thing, I used to trade on the 1 minute because I want to make money fast. Okay, in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to go for a set. Oh, the timing is. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. I wish I had entered here. Let me draw the line. I always like to enter at the close of the previous candle, meaning I wish I had entered here, exactly here. So let me tell you why I am going for the sell option here. Okay, this is another candlestick pattern. This particular candlestick, you will see it in my book. It's a candlestick pattern I wrote in my book that, okay, if you see it in a downtrend, and what's the trend here? It's down. I said the next candle will likely be a red candle. However, what will make this thing not be a red candle, which I doubt is going to eventually turn out to be a green candle, is because you are in a range. You can see this range. You can see this range. You can see this range. Let me show you that candlestick here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see it here? This is it. This is it. Guys, did you see this pattern I took the other time? These two candles. Can you see that the next one was a red? Can you see? Make sure you are on my Telegram channel so that you can get that book. You can get that book. Okay. You can see the trade is going in our favor. It's going in our favor. You can always come to the 1 minute time frame to check what is happening. I entered here and I expect price to close below this line, below this red line in the next how many minutes? In about 2 minutes time. 2 minutes time. So after this trade, I'll be ending the live. After this particular trade, I'll be ending the live, and I'm owing someone 5,000 naira. I'm owing someone 5,000 naira. So what you can do to earn that 5,000 naira? Like this video. Like, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you won't be eligible to win the 5,000 naira. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. And you see this live, this current live, share it with just 5 people. Share it with just 5 people. After you do that, comment done, and I'll pick someone. Love it. Sorry, love it. I'm still owing your 5,000 naira is still with me. You said you sent your account number. Let me just confirm. Let me confirm that I've seen your account number. Love it. I've not seen your account number. I've not seen your account number. Send me your account number. Love it. Send me your account number so that you can win the. Can give you your 5,000 naira. Send it to me on WhatsApp 08101 591413. That's 08101591413. Send it to me on WhatsApp. We have 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Price must close below this red line for it to be a winning trade. It has to close below this red line. We have 18 seconds left. 18 seconds left. It's a winning trade. So 7 seconds. Okay. That's another winning trade. I think I made 2 trades in a row. So if you remember, I started this. Let me show you how much we've made today. Okay, I come here. I always check your performance. You can't make this up. You can't make it up. So I've taken 721 trades in total. 721 trades. I'll be profitable 53% of the time, which is okay. It's okay. So today I'll be profitable just 49%. Today was not too good, 49%, but I've made $56 today, which is pretty decent. So I think that is enough. That's enough for today. What I just do is I come back the next day. Take more trades, make money. There is no day I've never made money. I always make money. Can you see how beautiful this red candle printed? When I told you that, okay, if you see a signal like this, the next candle will be a red candle. Can you see the same thing here? Can you see that what you are seeing here is also seen here? And the next candle was a red candle. So everything is in my ebook. Make sure you've joined my Telegram channel. Look at the description of this video or the description of my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel. I trade here every day live. The aim is to make $20 per day, and I've done above that. So I'll be ending the live here. Take care. Okay, so we need to give someone 5,000 naira. Samuel Folorun Shaw, you are the most active person here tonight, so we'll give you the 5,000 naira. So message me on WhatsApp 08101591413. I'll give you 5,000 naira. 08101591413. Message me on WhatsApp. All right, guys. See you again tomorrow. Bye.